Tito's fresh build over here. 2016, 15, 16, 14? 14. You can speak up, bro. 14. He's a little nervous on camera.
Nah, not me, baby.
2014 started off as an electric glide and kind of murdered it out. Made it look like a street glide. Still got the torque pack on there. Did the stretch bags on it, full air ride. The 21 Fatty, Jet affiliated, front and rear. Did some bars, some tunes. Just kept it plain and simple. Got your COSO gauges in there. I don't know if it's showing up because of the sunlight. But just the simplicity with some Reinhardts. We got a true dual pipe he's going to throw on. And he should be good. Did that little touch with the red calipers, all factory. He went to the UP.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta put his shades on real quick. Hold on.
Amazing ride, bro.
Yeah, all the way out here. You, if you live in the Michigan area, by Michigan, you can ride up through Chicago, all the way to Wisconsin, all the way up to Upper Michigan, Upper Peninsula, all the way back down Michigan, and then back into Indiana. He got this chin spoiler on there with some fog lights in there. I don't know what that's all about.
It's awesome.
So let me know what you guys think. This is just a clean and simple basic build. Even got his microphone for his Sony radio because he likes to have conversations when he's going 80 miles an hour. And now we're gonna get some cruising footage.